Hey guys, today we are at Capella by Woodside here at Sunstone. Now, if you're looking for a beautiful single-story home over 2,000 square feet, well, don't go anywhere, guys, because we're going to be touring the Taurus floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, so today's October 7, 2025, and today we're here at Capella by Woodside Homes here at Sunstone. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in the Northwest. We're right off of Sunstone Parkway and the 95. So we have Sky Canyon and Kyle Canyon just west of us. So we're in a beautiful area. This is a master plan community. There are parks close by. This is a gated neighborhood. There's a couple of builders close by. There's a Richmond community that's actually building in the same community as well. But yes, this specific community is a single-story community, and I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 3 different floor plans: the Aries, the Taurus, and the Virgo. Now, these single-story homes are going to range from 1970 square feet all the way up to 2,295 square feet. The base prices are going to range from about $557,990 all the way up to $621,990. Now, whenever you look at the base price, that is not the out the door price, okay? So just know that you have to add the lot premiums and the upgrades. Now, lot premiums here are going to range from $6,000 to, I believe, $30,000. Most of the lot premiums, though, are going to be in like that $15,000, $20,000 range. As far as upgrades is concerned, if you're building from ground up, I would say you're going to be in it about 10 to 15%. It really just depends on what structural upgrades you want, what interior upgrades that you want. But for the spec homes here, they're usually doing about 10% of the base price. Now, the way Woodside has it set up, they do have availability for quick move-ins, as well as they have availability from ground up builds. So definitely some flexibility for you. You could get a quicker move-in. Typically, quicker move-ins, you're going to get a better deal on those homes versus if you build from ground up. But, you know, building from ground up is nice too because you can choose all your finishes. A little bit about the community here. Master plan is going to be $55 a month. The sub community is going to be $45 a month. So total, that's going to be $100 a month. Now, they also do have a SID here. Okay, so I will post a short of a video that I did on the screen for you if you want to know what a SID is. Looks like semi-annually you're going to pay $547.55. So in total for about a year you're going to spend about $1,095.10. Okay, usually there's going to be a balance to the SID. So once you make those payments and pay off the balance, then you no longer have to make those payments anymore. Okay, as far as this community, this just opened last week. Now, they have about 51 homes here. They already sold 11, so they're getting pretty busy out here. So yeah, it's a popular market. Now, as far as the average lot square feet, most of the lots are going to be about 105 by 50, okay? And yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, everyone, welcome to the Taurus Plan 2. This is going to be 2,093 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and the base price is $577,990. Okay, so out the door, after lot premium and upgrades, you're looking at about low to mid 600s. Now, if you're building from ground up, you have a choice between 4 different elevations that you could choose from. So depending on the elevation that you choose, your base price will be a little bit different, okay? For example, they have the Scandinavian, base price would be $577,990, Craftsman, $580, West Regional, $579, and Modern Regional, $583,990. Now, the elevation is just how the exterior looks. So that could change like window placements. It could change like, you know, for example, you have this stacked stone right here. Some floor plans probably won't offer that. I'm guessing the Scandinavian won't. But yeah, so, you know, choice between 4 different elevations. Now the paver driveway is included. The desert landscaping is included as well. Now in the garage, you're gonna have like a tankless water heater as well as a water softener loop. Something that's really cool about Woodside Homes is they include a 22 feet deep garage, but this is the only builder where you could actually upgrade so that you could have like a 24 feet deep garage. So, you know, they're definitely accommodating to people who, you know, have like large trucks, big SUVs. Yeah, let's check it out. Again, Woodside Homes, they have the standard features compared to most builders. I would say they have like the best standard, one of the best standard features compared to the other ones. Now, welcome in. As soon as you walk in, you do have 10-foot ceilings. That is standard. You can upgrade in like the living room, dining room, kitchen to have 12-foot ceilings, which I recommend. Now, when you walk in, just to kind of set the expectation if you build from ground up, the standard flooring, most people upgrade. They usually don't keep standard flooring. Standard flooring is you'd have carpet all throughout the house except for the wet areas. So that'd be the kitchen, laundry room, bathroom, and entryway. You'd have an 18 by 18 ceramic tile. Most buyers, from what I've seen, they'll install like tile or vinyl plank all throughout the house, and they'll limit the carpets to just the bedroom. So that's something fairly common with most buyers. So right over here, you're gonna have the first 2 bedrooms. Okay, there's no different structural upgrades for the Taurus when it comes to these 2 bedrooms. There's no like home suite plus upgrade, or it just comes like that. Okay. Nice, looks like somebody was shooting some content out here. So you do have a standard closet. Also, the paint finish, you're gonna have eggshell all throughout the house, which is really nice. A lot of builders just have flat paint all throughout the house except for the wet areas. So flat paint gets dirty really easily. If you have eggshell finish, you can clean it really easy. So now this is gonna be the full bath that these 2 bedrooms share. So you do have a single sink, a toilet, as well as a shower tub. Looks like they did the upgraded surround right here. Otherwise you'd have the fiberglass shower tub. Okay, so here's the other bedroom. Okay, so you have that 1 window, standard closet. Okay, and I do believe that they include the pre-wire for the ceiling fan in all bedrooms. Not 100% sure, but I know if you definitely want cam lights in any of the bedrooms, that is an upgrade. Okay, you do have some cabinet space right here. All the cabinets are going to be soft close. Okay, so you're going to have your coat closet. Oh, this is a thin door. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, smart panel box. That's where you would connect your internet router and your modem. So welcome to your main living area. So right over here, you're gonna have the 12-foot ceilings. Well, actually, no, I'm sorry. This is, looks like they didn't do the upgrade over here. It looks like it's just the 10-foot ceilings. Okay, so you're gonna have your kitchen, primary bedroom over there, dining room, living room area. Okay, plenty of cabinets. They went with the upgraded stack cabinets as well. Here, we'll take a look over here. So you're gonna have your door to your garage. Okay, nice. Yeah, most model homes, the garage is gonna be closed, but it's nice that it's open here. So you can see tankless water heater, water softener loop. Okay, every home's gonna come with like this water filter right here. Now it's not an RO system, but it is like a water filter that you do have. It's 10-foot ceilings in the garage. Okay, so it looks like you're gonna have your powder room. Now this is gonna be the bath for the guests right over here. You also have your walk-in pantry. Now, a couple of different structural upgrades over here, okay? Because originally I think there's gonna be like a flex room here, and then you'll have like a laundry room. So I think this is just like the oversized laundry room. But a couple of options. The way that this house is modeled is they did the super closet. So you'll have like the primary bedroom, you'll have your primary bath, and you'll have like a giant walk-in closet. If you didn't have that option, you could do like a primary retreat. And if you didn't want to do that as well, then you could have like a flex room right over here, and then like a smaller laundry room. Okay, it's nice. You have a sink over here. It's a good sized laundry room. You also have your attic access up above. Now you're gonna have smoke / CO2 detectors in the hallways, and then you'll have smoke detectors in the bedrooms. Okay. So right here, you're gonna have your profile appliance package, your GE profile. So you got the double oven, a microwave. The built-in cooktop is standard. I believe this hood is upgraded right here. As far as cabinets concerned, the 42-inch cabinets, which is this size, that is included. But if you want this color, that is upgraded. I think if you want to go with like the standard color, I'm not too sure. I think there's like about 2 or 3 options that you could choose from, or maybe 1 or 2. So you got the stainless steel single basin sink, your dishwasher right there. Okay. Nice faucet, pulls out. The standard faucets, you're gonna have like Delta Chrome for all like the handles and faucets. Okay, so this is the living room area. Now, what you're seeing right here, this type of slider, that is an upgrade. I'll show you what else is an upgrade. As you can see, you have this wraparound covered patio. That is an upgrade as well. Standard, what would be standard is you have this patio just on this side and no covered patio on this side, right? But if you do choose to do this covered patio this side, you could put this corner slider right here. Or you can also just put 2 separate sliders. So you could have a slider right here and then a slider right here. So definitely some options for you. The pavers underneath the covered patio will be included, but anything else, you're just gonna have a dirt lot, and you have about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. Okay, so right over here, you're gonna have your condenser. Looks like you have your hose bib. I know you have like a barbecue stub somewhere around here. In case you're wondering, the walls won't be this low. It's gonna be this height. This is just for the model homes. Okay, so it's nice. Looks like we have a door from the primary bedroom. Okay, so you're gonna have your gas stub here. This is gonna be your second hose bib. Yeah, beautiful area up here in the northwest. So you're surrounded by mountains. It's really quiet. Okay, so we'll check out the primary bedroom. Now, if you guys are interested in going to checking out a new construction community, you know, you've been watching these videos, you want to check them out in person, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be glad to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process, get you the best deals. If you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure you go with your realtor. Don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your information. Once you give them your information and you're not with a realtor, they're gonna log you in their system as having no representation. Now the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, okay? So we look after your best interest. Again, what I do for my clients, always make sure that I make the process nice and easy. I get them the best deal, but that's not the goal for the builder agent. So, you know, definitely connect with a realtor. So welcome, this is the primary bath. So you got the dual sinks. Okay, so you have the drop-in tub. A couple of different bathroom configurations you can do, right? So standard, you would actually have the large walk-in shower. You can upgrade it to have the curbless walk-in shower, which is just like the clean glass finish. And then you could have a tub, you could have a freestanding tub. So a couple of different bathroom configurations. Okay, like that there's a window right there. Nice, these really narrow linen closets. Okay, so this is the primary walk-in closet. This is upgraded. Usually, if you don't go this route, I think the walk-in closet comes in 3 feet closer to me. So all right, that wraps it up for the Taurus Plan 2. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I would be honored to help you guys out. But yeah, thank you so much for sticking to the end, watching the whole video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.